Mas makilala pa kita ng mas malalim. Napagtanto ko na hindi ka lamang isang magandang babae sa anyo, kundi yung buong kaluluwa mo maganda.
When I first met you 10 years ago, I was attracted to you, but it wasn't the right time. But I told myself, sana someday we'll meet again pag free na tayo.
Sa ating pagsasama, naging matalik kitang kaibigan, karamay sa mga pagsubok, at inspirasyon para maging mas mabuting tao.
Years passed, you made contact with me, but at that time naman, I wasn't whole. Hindi pa rin right time. Akala ko you're just like the rest, babaero, party boy, at showbiz. Sakit ka lang sa ulo ko.
Is the best thing I have found.
And so despite all your efforts, I avoided you even when you make my heart flutter. I thought you are not the right person for me. Well, this is proof that first impressions don't last. But when we finally went out on a date, I was changed instantly. What I didn't know then, that the person I was running away from would be the one that God had destined for me.
You're the best thing I have found.
Marami na tayong pinagdaan ng pagkakaiba at matagumpay din natin itong nalagpasan dahil hindi tayo sumusuko sa isa't isa.
We're an ocean, a gentle power that could never be contained.
I realized that you were the person I had been praying for all along. You checked all the boxes. Kind, humble, simple, willing to go to museums, dance in the moonlight, enjoy classics, love dogs, and cherish my family. Most importantly, mamahalin ako.
Ngayon, alam ko na sa puso ko na pinagkaloob ka ng Diyos sa akin. Kaya sa araw na to, pinapangako ko sa iyo sa harap ng Diyos at sa lahat ng mga mahal namin sa buhay na tapat kitang mamahalin ng buong puso, igagalang at aalagaan hanggang kamatayan.
Through the ground, every hope brought to
From this day forward, I submit myself to you as your wife. Buong-buo kong isinusuko ang sarili ko sa iyo. Nung unang date natin, sinama kita sa simbahan. Ngayon, ako naman ang dinala mo sa simbahan. Salamat because you kept your word. Habang buhay ko ito susuklian ng pagmamahal, pagpapasensya at pag-aalaga sa iyo, sa anak natin, at sa buhay at pangarap na bubuuhin nating dalawa. I love you.
best thing I found. Best thing, you're the best thing. You're the best thing.
Magkasama nating haharapin ang anumang hamon na darating at mananatili akong nasa iyong tabi sa hirap o ginhawa. Ikaw ang aking iniibig ngayon at magpakailanman. I love you, Jeff.
Is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing